Alright, got a cool project here. This is a variation on the flower pot candle room heaters that you can see videos on YouTube and other platforms. And so instead of flower pots, I've used an old 20-pound propane tank, devalved, degassed it, of course, and I've cut an archway on the side for placement of the candles. And the devalve hole on the top is allowing for the draw of air through the unit. And this unit heats up just like the flower pot and will really help keep your room warm, especially if you use two, three of them. And the whole unit's been sanded down and then painted with rust inhibiting spray primer, field gray. So there we are. And you'd want your hole can be any shape. I think almost a square would be better, just because the candle's somewhat square, rectangular to put in there. You don't want too big of a hole. You're going to lose heat. And it's already warming up. I'm going to try this out. This is the first one, the prototype. We'll see how she works. If she works good, maybe I'll make some more videos in the future. So if it works real good, you'd probably want 3, 4 of them for your home, especially in these day and age of energy prices and so on. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribing, and all the new subscribers. Keep doing your projects. Keep posting in the comments, and I'll try to get to them when I can. You and your families take care.